Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends loading screen stuck. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you want to open up your task manager, and on task manager you want to end the tasks which are related to League of Legends. So that would be League of Legends itself, Riot client. You want to just choose it and click end the task, scroll down and end all of these tasks too. Now once you will do that, go on search, write down League of Legends, and again open file location. Once it will open up, you want to right click on League of Legends, go to properties, compatibility, and enable these two, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as admin, apply and OK. After that, you want to open file location again here, and on Riot Client Services, you want to do the same for this one. Basically enable these two. After that, click on the address path Riot Games, go to League of Legends, scroll down until you will find League Client, and do the same for this file, compatibility, and enable these two, apply and OK. And the last thing you can do is go to game folder, and here you may find League of Legends exe file, so you want to do the same on the properties too. And once you will do that, your problem should be fixed. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.